again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Look what I have got. So this is my monthly box from Gelbox, and they are one today. So this is their first anniversary. It doesn't feel like a full year since I got that first ever box. It's flown by. I'm so happy for them because these boxes, they're just so much fun, different, unique. So for anybody that's new, Gelbox are a UK brand. They do ship internationally. And what you get in these boxes, these are monthly subscription boxes, but you can buy them as a one-off as well. But I think if you have it on a subscription, it does work out cheaper. And I've got a 15% off discount code. It'll be on the screen and in my description box with a link to the website. Yeah, these monthly boxes, they come with a little, you get a little tutorial inside in a way of a vinyl sticker, and everything that you need to complete the tutorial on that vinyl sticker you get in this box. So they're really fun, unique, different, and the quality of the gels is just fantastic. I always enjoy using them. And yeah, this is their first anniversary box, so this is going to be special. So let's get it open and see what we got inside. So, oh look, it says happy birthday. We've got a disco ball, balloons. Yeah, every box, every month is a completely different theme, different box. Yeah, a lot of thought, effort, love goes into these boxes. Right, so this is what we've got. Oh, we've got a little gel box. Champagne bottle. That's cute. Oh, I'm so happy for them. So we've got this. June the 5th marks 1 year since we sent out our very first gel box. 12 months and 12 boxes later, here we are, and it's all thanks to you. Your enthusiasm has really been appreciated in our constant journey to provide you with fabulous nail art. Seeing what you have all managed to create with the gel boxes has been nothing short of fantastic. Such high quality work and great creativity from you all shows not only that what we are putting together works, but that we are building an amazing community in the process. So I once again thank you for your support and recommendations as we continue into our second year. There is no time to rest though, as Gelbox will always push to level up as we go. Yours sincerely, Virginia. Oh, bless. That's so sweet, isn't it? Really, really sweet. Lovely, lovely, lovely lady. All the girls that put work into this, they're all lovely. Really, really nice bunch of ladies. So, this is the tutorial this month. And this will give you an idea of what's in the box. So it looks like we might have a silver chrome and a pink and a red maybe. They're very cute. Bang on trend as well at the minute. These silver swirly things. Cool. Right, so let's get into it. So I'm going to move it off to the side and then we'll see what we got. Right, so let me bring you in just a little bit. Right, so, ooh, looks like we have got one of those chrome palettes. So we've got a couple of eyeshadow applicators. Oh, look, so we've got your standard gold, silver, bronze and copper. Brilliant. Right, we'll give all these a swatch in a minute. I love these compact chromey thingy-mabobs. They're so easy for storage. Brilliant. I like that. Ooh, and we've got glitter. So I love these little glitter. These are glass and they've got a little screw lid. I've got a few of these now. I love these. This is their sister brand, Britpop. I'll leave the link to the website. There's loads of these glitters to choose from. Really nice and sparkly, that, isn't it? Beautiful glitter. Yeah, I do like these little pots. They're very collectible, aren't they? So we've got a glitter. Let's leave that there. What's this? Right. These are dangly earrings. Look at this. Yeah, they're earrings. Oh my gosh. Pink bling on. They're different, aren't they? Oh my gosh. Right, okay, got some earrings. We've got another cuticle pen. Let's have a sniff. Ooh, do you know, they work with perfume experts on their cuticle oils. They're not just oils and scents they've bought off Amazon. They work with perfume experts. Oh, I like that. When you've applied their oils, you can smell them all day like you've got a perfume on. They're brilliant. We have got a brush, spatula on one end, and a gel brush on the other end. Right, so this is making me think there's something in here that we're going to need this brush for. And let's have a look. Right, what is this? Sculptor gel. White sculptor gel. Okay. Look at these fancy pots, guys. Right, so this is the solid extension gel that's going around that everybody's using. Look. It's that solid stuff. That's cool. Oh, we've definitely got to do something with this. I love this pot. That is cute. Right, so we've got some 3D sculptor gel. Right, let's get to the star of the show. Oh my gosh, guys. Henna-free. Oh, got so many ladies that really wanted to try these gels, but they're allergic to henna. This is huge. Right, let's get some swatch sticks out. Right, so obviously I'm not going to swatch this sculpting gel. It's white, you can see it. Gonna have to do something with that in another video, and we'll give these a little swatch today, eh? So let me move all this off to the side a minute. Right guys, so I thought I'll swatch these chrome powders first, and for anybody that is new to nails and they've not used chrome powders before, I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you need a black gel polish. So I'm using Gelbox black. It's called Clicks or Cleeks, and you need a black nail. So I'm going to completely cover this swatch stick in the black gel polish. Look at this for a black as well. Gelbox colours are just fantastic. The black and the white especially. Look at that one coat. It is black. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp for a full cure. Right, and once that comes out the lamp, you need to give it a glossy top coat. And I'll find the best top coats to use for chromes, or just cheap top coats. I've found really good quality top coats don't work very well with chrome powders. So just pull out one of your cheap no wipe top coats. It has to be a no wipe top coat. I always slightly undercure it, and don't get any bits of fluff or anything in that top coat layer because it will show up. So I'm going to cure that for 20 seconds. And I like to rub the chrome powder in whilst it's fresh out the lamp. So I'm going to start with the gold. Just rub my eyeshadow applicator into it, and then just rub it up and down that nail. I've always found the chrome palettes always apply better than the loose powder. Look at this. Right, I'm just going to give this a top coat. So you need to seal it in with a top coat. And that is how you use chrome powders. Beautiful, beautiful colour. I love that. Right, so I'm just going to get these other three swatched. So that is them swatched. They applied like butter. Super smooth. I really like them. Yeah, chrome powders always go better over just a cheap top coat. Right, so shall we get these gel polishes swatched? So excited for these. Right, so this is new, the henna-free gel polishes. So they are still in the huge 20ml bottles, and this one is called Bottomless Brunch. Gelbox gel polishes are so nice. They're a really thin consistency gel. but they're always super opaque and pigmented. Oh, I've got black fluffy bits in this. Ignore them, guys. Oh, I'm so annoyed at myself. I'll do a second coat and cover them. That's a nice colour. Right, next we've got Marbella Sunset. I don't have anything like this from Gelbox, this colour. This is a really unique colour. Yeah, it's an orange, but it's a different kind of orange, isn't it? Very nice colour, bright orange. Right, then we have got Villa Saint-Tropez. This is a nudie colour as well. That is beautiful. These are quite unique colours, I like them. And lastly we have got Don't Tell the Bride. Oh, that is a pretty colour. I like that. I like that a lot. Right, I'm just going to give these a quick top coat and then we can look at everything together. Right, guys, that is all those colours swatched. These are all just really... They're all the same kind of tone, just different shades, aren't they? Like these. This one, I can see me using this a lot as a base colour. Yeah, they're all kind of the same tone. Really warm, cosy. Different shades of each other, aren't they? Very different. I like it. So that is what is on the tips of all these. So every finger, every nail has got a different one of these. And then these swirls have obviously been done with probably a no wipe top coat and the chrome powder. So that's a fun box. So yeah, that's the colours and that's the chrome colours that we got. Even the chrome powder colours kind of match these colours, don't they? I like them a lot. And not forgetting the sculptor gel. We're maybe going to have to build a set of nails with these or something. I'm not sure what to do with this yet, but we're going to do something. And we got the brush to go with the sculptor gel, the cuticle oil. Don't forget the glitter. Oh, and how could we forget the dangly earrings? My OCD made me put them back in the tubes. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. So yeah, Gelbox are celebrating their first anniversary. I love it. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Massive congratulations to Gelbox on their first birthday, first anniversary. I'm over the moon for them. But yeah, that is going to be it. Link will be in my description box. My discount code will be down there. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.